It's you can download this program on this website, and it's very easy to install. Just unzip in any folder you created, and you will get two exe. One is image tools, very short, small program that convert older image format to bitmap, and then you have trace, which is main program. Now I will open a file, and I will open this one. This is Chuckberry. Trace, and then move to 0. I'll show you what I will just clean by area a little bit, and then clean. Now it's enough. I can always go back and do it, but now I'll preview. There is something wrong with this file. You see that his hair is not a part of for this, so I will need to make a bridge. I'll show you how to do that now. I will click something. No, this is preview mode, and I cannot see well now, but I'll click invert polyline like this. No, I need to click bridge. I said I'll do bridge, and you see I find a place where I can do bridge. This line is light blue, it's outside cut, and this is blue, it's outside cut, and this one is inside cut. This one should be outside cut, but we can have just one outside cut. In this case, when something like this appears, I need to do bridge. So I click here, and press enter to close polyline. Now I will have to do union, and you see it's connected here now, and that inside cut became outside cut. So when I preview it here, it is better. I have more problems here, so I'll click bridge. Let's say I have to bridge this one, press enter, and then union. This one was already inside. I have to, I guess, because just a second, cut. When this is inside cut, then I do cut, and this one is outside but should be blue, and then when I connect it like this for that one, press enter, and then to close it I click union, and it became blue. Now when I preview it's okay. His hair is now part of everything. I can do more on this one, but first I will just show I'll clean by area, click, very small, I'll remove points, and then I have to turn points back on, and click, let me see, in this mode, remove that one. I don't need those polygons, so I'll click remove polygon or polyline, whatever you call it. I don't need those, that's some garbage. And then here I turn points back on, and then I click remove point. But in this case, because I need to remove more points, I'll click points, so it will remove 3. It will go faster. Click, because here is something wrong on and then when I'm close to the finishing, I go back to click point by point and do this. So also I can remove polyline manually, one by one, or if I go to preview mode, then I have to press shift shift and click remove this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one, and that's it. This file is ready. It's reduced to 6% of initial size, and there is more than little more than 2,000 points, and it was initially 35,000. So this is okay for plasma cutting, but we can go more, try more. Clean by area, yeah, clean smallest. I don't need this, I'll bring it back. Then I clean by some algorithms and see 6.3. You see, it go very slow, so it probably cannot remove anymore. You will need this 2000 point, then you click G code and generate G code like I explained in previous video. But he will insert font, and I'll write here his name. And then I have a cutter again. You read, you can make a different size, bigger or smaller, but for me this one is good. I don't need to cut here, not here, not here. I need here, 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 here. I can do it here also. And then I need to insert frame. Because frame is now smaller than lettering, I have to make it bigger. And this way smaller. Now I can do whatever, circle, or I can do this way or this way. I can do that way, and then I click insert. I'll go into this more. Always after I insert, I have to do some red button, clean, that is for red lines, because you see on here is so many points, you don't need it. Clean, 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 more, 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 more. That's fine. This is okay. And now I scale it because it's too big. Move it by clicking red one, and then you see if I click union, it will merge those two, Chuck Berry and lettering. So I click union, and if you preview it, it will be like this, ready to G code. Okay, we forget to make size here, 12 inch width, and because it's imperial units, I click here imperial, or metric if I did for metric. I explained in previous video what's this. Here you save it and then save parameters for next time, and when you save generate G code and then save G code. I'm not saving because I'm not cutting, and then close it, and that's it.